Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel Kim Visual. So student, आज आम नहीं प्लस टू सेकेंड ईयर फिजिक्स यूनिट 6 ऑल टोटल एमसीक्यू टाइप क्वेश्चन जोटी कि आपन एग्जाम रे निश्चित भाव में आसीबो। तो चलंतु आलोचना करिवा। क्वेश्चन 1 रे आपनकर आछि एसआई यूनिट ऑफ पावर ऑफ अ लेंस इज डायोप्टर। The phenomenon of light responsible for formation of mirrors in refraction, interference, total internal reflection, polarization. সেটা আপনাদের হবো total internal reflection. The refractive index mu of a medium where velocity of light is v is related to velocity of light c in vacuum as mu is equal to c divided by v. Option 2. The color of light which undergoes minimum deviation in a prism is red. Phenomenon of light responsible for dazzling of diamond is TIR, total internal reflection. The power of a lens of focal length 25 cm is P is equal to 100 divided by F. तो 100 divided by 25 तो हमारा आंसर वाला 4. तो ऑप्शन 3 है आपनकर करेक्ट. The focal length of a biconvex lens which refractive index 1.5 and radius of curvature r on both sides is 1 by f is equal to our way mu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. सेठी जदि हम वैल्यू पुट करिवा तो हमर आंसर बारिबो f is equal to r. ऑप्शन 2 हबो आपनकर करेक्ट आंसर. Two thin biconvex lenses of focal length 30 cm and 60 cm are kept in contact in air medium. The power of the combination is आमे जानछु 1 by f is equal to आमर हुए 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. पावर बाहर करिवा तो आमर आंसर हबो 5d 5 diopter. If the refractive indices of glass and water with respect to the air are 3 by 2 and 4 by 3 respectively, then the refractive index of glass with respect to water is mu Ga is equal to 3 by 2. So mu Wa is equal to 4 by 3. So 3 by 2 divided by 4 by 3 is equal to 9 by 8. Option 1 is correct answer. Mirage is seen due to the optical phenomenon is TIR. Light of wavelength 600 nm enters from air into glass medium of refractive index 1.5. The wavelength of refracted light inside the glass is हमें जानछु हमर हुए लैम्डा 2 डिवाइडेड बाय लैम्डा 1 इज इक्वल टू म्यू 1 डिवाइडेड बाय म्यू 2. तो लैम्डा 2 रे हम वैल्यू पुट करबा 1, लैम्डा 1 रे हम पुट करबा 1.5. तो इज इक्वल टू हमर हबो 400 nm. Blue color of sky is due to which of the following phenomenon of light scattering? The power of a convex lens of focal length 20 cm in diopter unit is 5 diopter. Two transparent media A and B are separated by a plane boundary. The speeds of light are 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter per second and 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter per second respectively in A and B. Then the critical angle for a ray of light for those two media is sin inverse 0.833 because IC is equal to आमर हुए sin inverse mu r divided by mu d is equal to sin inverse vd divided by vr. तो सेठी जदि हम वैल्यू पुट करिवा तो आमर आंसर बारिबो sin inverse 0.833. ऑप्शन 1 हबो आपनकर करेक्ट आंसर. The minimum distance between an object and its real image formed by a convex lens of focal length f is 4f because d is equal to distance between 0 and I, u is equal to x and v is equal to d minus x, but using u and v in 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, we get 4f. Object is placed in front of a convex lens of focal length f. a virtual image is formed with magnification 2 is formed, then the object distance is m is equal to 2, u by v is equal to 2, v is equal to 2u. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to amar is equal to f by 2. Option 2 होगा आपनकर correct answer. Is incident on one face of a dispersing equatorial prism kept in air and emerges out at another face. The deviation produced by the prism is greatest for the violet color and least for the red color. Greatest for the red color and least for the violet color. Same for all constitute color. Less for green color than that for yellow color. सेटा आपनकर होबो option 1. Greatest for violet color and least for red color. Because del is inversely proportional to wavelength. The refractive index of glass is 1.5 amperes. Sphere of this glass is immersed in water having refractive index 4 by 3. The critical angle for light ray originating within the sphere is IC is equal to sin inverse mu r by mu d. तो जदि आमे सेठी वैल्यू पुट करिवा 4 by 3 divided by 1.5 then आमर आंसर भरिबो sin inverse 8 divided by 9. A convex mirror has a focal length f. An object is placed at a distance f by 2 in front of it from pole. The mirror produces an image at infinity f 2f f by 3. U is equal to amar होजी minus f by 2. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. तो 1 by v plus 1 by u जगह आमे पुट करियो minus f by 2. तो आमर आंसर भरियो v is equal to f divided by 3. Of dispersion of white light through a prism, the emergent violet ray of the spectrum remains at the middle of the spectrum, towards the upper side of the spectrum, towards the lower side of the spectrum, invisible. So, our answer is 3. Towards the lower side of the spectrum. The critical angle of a transparent slab is 30 degree. The refractive index of the material of slab is mu is equal to amar 1 by sin IC. 1 by sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to amar hobo 2. The option 1 hoba apanଙ୍କର correct answer. The angle of a prism is 60 degree. What is the angle of refraction for a ray passing through the prism? Minimum deviation position 30 degree. For minimum deviation r is equal to a by 2. तो ये जगह आम पुट करवा 60 डिग्री तो 60 डिवाइड बाय 2 इज इक्वल टू आमर होची 30 डिग्री. Frequency of light wave of wavelength 600 nm is into 10 to the power 15 hertz. कहीं आमर v is equal to हुए c by lambda और mu is equal to हुए c by lambda. तो सेठी जदि हम वैल्यू पुट करवा तो आमर आंसर हबो 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 15 hertz. Velocity of light in a material medium is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The refractive index of medium is mu is equal to c by v. So 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 2 into 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 8 cancel है 3 divided by 2. तो हमारा आंसर है 1.5. The angle of prism is 60 degree and the angle of minimum deviation for a ray of light refracted through it is 60 degree. Then the refractive index of the material of the prism is mu is equal to sin a sin del divided by 2 whole divided by sin a by 2. करिवा जदि आमे सेठी वैल्यू पुट करिवा तो आमर आंसर हबो √3. ऑप्शन 4 हबो आपनकर करेक्ट आंसर. Real image of an object is formed in a concave mirror. The size of the image is greater than the size of the object. Which of the following statement is correct? Object is situated on the center of curvature. Object is situated within the focal length. Object is situated between the center of the curvature and the focus. It is situated between the center of the curvature and infinity. Option 3. Correct answer. Object is situated between the center of the curvature and the focus. The refractive index of glycerin with respect to air is 1.5 for normal light. The speed of light in glycerin is divided by Vg. जदि आमे करिबा तो हमर आंसर भरिबो 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Option 2 होगा आपनकर correct answer. A convex lens of refractive index 1.5 is immersed in a liquid of refractive index 1.6. The lens will behave as a divergent lens. Option 1. Fraunhofer diffraction by a single slit is produced on a screen by using light of wavelength 600 nm. The width of the central maximum is 1 mm. If the wavelength of light is changed to 400 nm, the width of the central maximum will be y2 divided by y1 is equal to lambda 2 divided by lambda 1. तो आमर आंसर हम 0.66 mm. ऑप्शन 2 हम आपनकर करेक्ट आंसर. The yellow light source in YDSE is replaced by a monochromatic red light source of same intensity. Then the fringe width of the interference pattern in comparison with that of previous pattern will be increases. Option 1 होगा आपनकर correct answer. Density of two waves A and B are respectively 9 units and 4 units. If they interfere, the ratio of 1 maximum is to 1 minimum will be 25 is to 1. For a light wave, lambda is the wavelength, del is the phase difference between 2 points on the wave separated by a distance of del. The relationship between del, lambda, delta एवं del is equal to lambda del divided by 2 pi. तो आज वीडियो को आम ये शेष करवा. थैंक यू सो मच.